Welcome to Get Smart Office Edition.
The show where we help you laugh about and get better at office life.
I'm Shannon.
And I'm Laura.
Now, let's get smart.
Hey, what happened to my mustard?
Oh, they probably threw it out on Friday.
Why would they do that? It was a brand new bottle.
The janitors clean out the fridge every Friday. I'm guessing you didn't see the sign.
No, I saw it, but I thought it was just for leftover food people forgot about.
Well, I don't think that the janitors have time to pick and choose through what's in the fridge to toss things out because they have probably quite a few offices to clean. So it's pretty much just everything in the fridge. It goes.
Ugh. Dear listener, the refrigerator, the most contentious appliance in any office. Here's some good etiquette to think about.
Do not use the fridge like it's your fridge at home. This fridge is for your use during the day while you're at work, and only for the day.
Do assume that if you leave things in the fridge outside of your lunch bag, that someone could eat them or use it.
Do not be the person who eats or uses other people's items.
The janitors are not going to pick and choose what to throw out. They're not going to look at expiration dates. Don't get mad at them if you left things in there. This is not your fridge at home.
Do clean up after yourself if you spill something in the fridge or make it sticky. No one else needs that.
And do take your food home every day.
Thanks for listening.
Thanks for listening. Subscribe to catch new episodes of Tips and Skits every Monday and Wednesday, and join us for our Real Story segment and our blooper reel on Fridays.
Want to share your hilarious office stories with us? We might turn them into an episode.
Send us your thoughts and feedback at gsoe@diecastmediagroup.com and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.
Special thanks to Rebecca, who created animations for our skits, which you can watch on our YouTube channel. Also, thanks to Wendy, our audio editor, Lelia, our social media manager, and Austin, our technical engineer.
If you would like to support the show, review and share with your friends, or consider supporting us on Patreon, links are in the show notes.
Get Smart Office Edition is a DieCast Media Group production.